The enigma of the Yonaguni Monument continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike. Discovered in 1986 by a local diver, Kiyachiro Aratake, off the coast of Yonaguni Island, Japan, this submerged rock formation immediately sparked intense debate. Its sheer size and peculiar features led many to question its natural origins. Some argue it is a testament to an ancient, lost civilization. Others maintain it is merely a product of geological forces. The monument lies approximately 20 to 100 feet below the surface of the East China Sea. Its most striking characteristic is its apparent architectural precision. Divers have described massive, flat terraces. They also report encountering sharp, straight edges. Right angles are seemingly abundant throughout the structure. These geometric regularities are highly unusual for natural rock formations. Water clarity around Yonaguni can vary significantly. This sometimes makes detailed observation challenging. Yet, even in murky conditions, the distinct shapes are visible. One prominent advocate for the man-made theory is Masaki Kimura, a marine geologist from the University of the Ryukyus. For decades, Kimura has dedicated his research to studying the monument. He claims to have identified numerous features that strongly suggest human intervention. These include what he describes as carved steps. There are also apparent roads, and even a stadium-like structure. Kimura points to what he believes are distinct tool marks on the stone. He also suggests the presence of carvings resembling animals and human faces. These observations, if confirmed, would provide compelling evidence for an ancient civilization. He estimates the monument could be over 10,000 years old. This age would place its construction during the last ice age. At that time, sea levels were significantly lower. Yonaguni Island would have been part of a larger landmass. This landmass might have connected to mainland Asia. Such a discovery would rewrite established timelines of human history. It would challenge conventional understanding of early human capabilities. The implications for archaeology are immense. It would force a re-evaluation of early human migration patterns. It would also suggest a level of societal organization previously unthought of for that era. However, the geological explanation remains a strong counter-argument. Geologists like Robert Shaw of Boston University contend that the Yonaguni Monument is a natural formation. They attribute its unusual shapes to natural processes. These processes include tectonic activity. Earthquakes are common in this seismically active region. They can cause rocks to fracture in remarkably straight lines. Erosion by ocean currents and wave action can further sculpt these formations. Shaw points out that sandstone, the primary material of the monument, is prone to such fracturing. He argues that the apparent steps and terraces are simply natural bedding planes. These are layers of rock deposited horizontally over time. Vertical fractures, known as joints, can create the illusion of walls and corners. The carvings could be natural weathering patterns. They might also be pareidolia, the tendency to perceive meaningful images in random patterns. The natural forces at play in this marine environment are incredibly powerful. They can shape landscapes in ways that defy easy explanation. Debate is further complicated by the lack of definitive archaeological artifacts. No tools, pottery, or other clear signs of human habitation have been unequivocally found at the site. Proponents of the man-made theory argue that such artifacts could have been washed away over millennia. They might also be buried under sediment. The sheer scale of the monument also presents a challenge. Constructing such a massive structure with primitive tools would have been an immense undertaking. This would require a highly organized and technologically advanced society. The existence of such a society in that period is not currently supported by mainstream archaeology. The absence of clear evidence is a significant hurdle for the man-made hypothesis. Skeptics demand tangible proof of human activity. Despite the ongoing controversy, the Yonaguni Monument continues to attract divers and researchers. Its mysterious allure is undeniable. Each dive brings new observations. These observations often fuel further speculation. The monument serves as a powerful reminder of the vast unknowns beneath our oceans. It prompts us to reconsider what we think we know about ancient history. Perhaps future technological advancements will provide clearer answers. Advanced sonar mapping could reveal hidden details. Robotic exploration might uncover buried evidence. For now, the monument remains an unsolved puzzle. It stands as a silent testament to either nature's artistry or humanity's forgotten past. The implications of its true nature are profound. If man-made, it suggests a sophisticated civilization existed far earlier than previously thought. This civilization would have possessed advanced engineering skills. It would have been capable of monumental construction. Potential for new discoveries keeps the scientific community engaged. The precise alignment of some features with cardinal directions is another point of contention. Some researchers suggest these alignments indicate astronomical knowledge. This would further support the idea of an intelligent design. The presence of what appears to be a large, circular depression, dubbed a turtle, adds to the intrigue. Its symmetrical shape seems too perfect to be entirely natural. Nearby, other smaller, similarly structured formations have been identified. These suggest a larger complex, not just an isolated anomaly. The sheer volume of rock that would have been removed for construction is staggering. This would imply a workforce of considerable size. It also implies a method for disposing of the excavated material. No obvious spoil heaps have been found nearby. This absence is a point often raised by skeptics. The scale of the supposed construction is truly immense. It dwarfs many known ancient structures. The monument's location in a tectonically active zone means it has been subjected to immense geological forces. Earthquakes frequently shake the region. These seismic events can cause significant shifts in the seabed. Can also create dramatic rock fractures. The natural erosion from powerful ocean currents is also a factor. Over thousands of years, water can carve and smooth stone in surprising ways. The argument for natural formation emphasizes these powerful geological processes. They suggest that nature itself can mimic human design. The monument's appearance might simply be a remarkable coincidence. It could be a grand illusion created by the relentless forces of the Earth. The constant movement of the Earth's crust shapes the underwater landscape. This shaping can produce surprisingly regular forms. However, the recurring patterns and specific angles are difficult for some to dismiss as purely random. The main terrace is particularly striking. It features a series of perfectly straight steps. These steps descend in a regular fashion. The triangle pool is another feature that seems geometrically precise. Its sharp corners and flat bottom are hard to reconcile with typical erosion patterns. The goddess statue or face is perhaps the most controversial carving. While some see a clear human-like form, others see only natural rock. The subjective interpretation of these features is a major hurdle in resolving the debate. Scientific consensus requires objective, verifiable evidence. The human mind is adept at finding patterns. This can sometimes lead to misinterpretations. The monument's depth also plays a role in the discussion. If it was indeed built by humans, it must have been constructed when the land was above sea level. This would push its age back considerably. The last time this region was significantly above water was during the last glacial maximum. This period ended around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago. This time frame aligns with Masaki Kimura's estimates. It also aligns with the idea of a pre-Jomon civilization. The Jomon period in Japan is typically considered to have begun around 10,000 BC. Civilization capable of such construction before the Jomon period would be a monumental discovery. It would necessitate a complete reevaluation of human migration and development in East Asia. The implications for understanding early human societies are profound. It would challenge many long-held archaeological assumptions. The lack of similar structures elsewhere in the region also raises questions. If such an advanced civilization existed, why is this the only clear evidence? Perhaps other structures are yet to be discovered. The vastness of the ocean still holds many secrets. Underwater archaeology is a challenging and expensive field. Many potential sites remain unexplored. The Yonaguni Monument continues to be a focal point for those who believe in forgotten ancient technologies. It represents a tantalizing possibility. It challenges the conventional narrative of human progress. The mystery persists, drawing divers and scholars into its depths. Its silent presence beneath the waves invites endless contemplation. The monument stands as a testament to the enduring power of geological processes. Or it stands as a monument to a civilization lost to the mists of time. Truth remains submerged, waiting to be fully revealed. The debate will undoubtedly continue for many years to come. Each new piece of data is scrutinized. Every observation is debated. The monument holds its secrets tightly. It guards them beneath the shifting currents. Its story is still being written. The ocean keeps its counsel. The monument waits. The scientific community remains divided. This division fuels further research. The allure of discovery is strong. The monument's secrets are well kept. Its silent grandeur is undeniable. The deep blue waters conceal its true origin. The world watches and wonders.